Hey guys, now for the next few videos we're going to be focusing on the Audi R8. Now the reason why is because I just want to create this diagram. That's why. So this is what I've done off camera so far. I have measured the width of the stripes on top of the roof. Now obviously I know this isn't stage 1, this is stage 3 we're talking about. As you can see right here, I measured the width of the stripes from the center and then 3 coming off the right from the center of the roof, and it's the same for coming off the left. There's another 3 stripes. We have a bit of a diagram started, which is good. Let's get to work, people. Okay then guys, so now we're gonna print off this stage right here, which I already had it printed off, but I don't know where it went. So we're gonna print it off on Monday, but in between clips I'm actually gonna have a look for it, so we could be working on it at the weekend, or we're gonna have to wait until next Monday. If I can't find the picture. Wish me luck. Good morning, people. So we were measuring that part of the car. Now that's supposed to be a stripe, by the way. But it kind of failed and the measurements aren't as accurate as I want them to be. So we're gonna have to order some rubbers and rubber that out and restart the line so that we can accurately lay it on the car model. Okay, so the Audi R8 design, this idea does work, which is good. It is working so far. So I have noticed that these measurements are slightly off for one specific reason, and that is that this picture is at a slightly different angle from this picture. As you can see, so this picture has been taken from a bird's eye view. This picture is bird's eye, but it's got a slight angle to the left from a bird's eye view. So we're gonna have to retake apart all the design, retake all them photos of the roof of the design. Then we can get back to drawing the diagram properly. Okay, so I was about to film another clip, but my GoPro ran out of charge. yeah, back to work. Oh. Okay, so now that we have the front all drawn out, all measured, next video we're going to focus on the roof part of the car, draw that, then the rear part, which is pretty simple because it's only stripes going that way, that way, that way. See you in the next video.